Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. Go down and hit the join button to sign up for your membership. Like, share, subscribe. Drop me a comment and let me know how you're doing so far. This is TestOut Linux Pro. This is Lab 8.4.4. Create a logical volume. Let's get started. Okay, this one is a bit of a doozy. There's a lot of stuff going on here that you have to memorize. I practiced this lab a ton, quite a few times, probably 2 dozen times before I got all the commands down and really understood what I was doing. So be aware. You so on your Linux system, you have installed a second hard drive and created one partition on the drive. You have also installed a third hard drive and created two partitions on that drive. You now want to create a logical volume using the first partition on each new drive. Complete this lab from the terminal. Okay, so let's open up the terminal. And the first thing we need to do is look at what are the names of the drives that we're dealing with. Okay, so let's do an ls dev and then do a sd and an asterisk. Asterisk means show us all of them. And you can see here on your screen that the two newest ones, the SDB and SDC. So we want to use SDB1 and SDC1. Okay. Next, we want to use the PV create to initialize the partition using the LVM. Okay, so PV create. Okay, easy. And then we want to put the two partitions in here that we want. Nope. So SDB1 and dev SDC1 and enter. All right. Next, we want to use VG create to create a volume group named data using these two drives. Okay, so VG create, and we're going to call it data. And we want to use those two drives. So all right, we got that one done. Now we want to create a 1 terabyte logical volume named art. Okay, so LV create size. That's going to be 1 terabyte. And then we need the -n option in here for art. And it's going to come from the data. Okay. Next, we want to create a directory named product. That's okay. So mkdir product. Okay, you can just hope that it is there. Now we want to format the new logical volume with the ext4. So mkfs, right? mkfs dot ext4, and then we want to say dev data art. All right, that's created. Now we need to mount that together. So MOUNT -T and then EXT4. And then let's give our dev data art and then product at the end to mount that to it. Okay, looks like it worked. All right, so the next step is change to the product directory. So CD product. There it is. And now we want to create a file named new product. So we've done that before. We can use the touch command and then type in new product, and it's going to store it here in this product folder, and we'll confirm that with the ls command. There it is. And then we need to see the amount of disk space available. So that's going to be df-h, and you can see this is, we got 1013 available of the 1024. Looks like we've met them all. Cross your fingers. That was a lot. Like I said, you're going to have to read your fact sheets or dive into the help or the man page to understand what some of these commands and switches are. Let's check our answers, see how we did. Okay, there you have it. Another successful TestOut Linux lab. That was a lot. You're going to have to practice this one a few times in order to nail this on your test if it comes up. So be prepared for that. Anyway, sign up for the membership, like, share, subscribe. I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day.